It's a blackberry tree, babe. Look. They're ready to be eaten. These are edible too, y'all.
I can paint.
But
I'm doing.
nah, baby, because I think these we having. You gotta really clean these. You can hold it, but don't eat it, okay? You gotta really clean those.
See the baby's crazy.
Yeah, because they be having stuff on the inside. Let me see.
See?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I got only two.
These are blackberries.
Blackberries.
Baby.
Huh?
Is that right there?
No.
Let me see if I can open this up. Just break it in. Let's see.
This is the blackberries.
I heard these mugs be having like little worms in them.
Worms?
Mm-hmm. JJ, what you doing? You finna throw it? You lost it, didn't you? Here, throw this one. Throw that mug. This one used to be so high up. I don't know if it just grew down some. But this one never used to be this low. I guess you gotta take them home and thoroughly clean these. Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Y'all know the deers love those. No, don't eat them.
No.
You want one? Chase, you want one? They want one of them. Y'all know the deers love these. Meow.
Wait.
I was giving that to Jace.
Thanks.
Okay, cool. You gotta just make sure you know little bugs in them.
I see those. What is that?
What?
What is that?
Probably was a chipmunk.
Ooh!